a montage of historical images depicting key moments in British history. Welcome to The British Empire, a journey through history. In this documentary, we will delve into the captivating story of one of the most influential empires in human history. Cut to scenes of early British history, Celtic tribes, Roman occupation. Narrator. Our story begins over 2 millennia ago, with the emergence of Celtic tribes on the British Isles. Following centuries of Roman occupation, the foundations of what would become the British Empire began to take shape. Transition to the medieval period. Norman conquest, Magna Carta. The Norman conquest in 1066 brought about significant social and political changes, laying the groundwork for the development of a centralized monarchy. The signing of the Magna Carta in 1215 marked a pivotal moment in the evolution of English law and governance. Cut to scenes of the Tudor and Stuart dynasties, Henry VIII, Elizabeth the Tudor and Stuart dynasties ushered in a period of exploration, expansion, and religious upheaval. English monarchs sought to assert their authority both at home and abroad, laying the foundations for future imperial ambitions. Colonial expansion, voyages of exploration, trading posts. The dawn of the Age of Exploration saw British adventurers setting sail for distant shores in search of new trade routes and territories. The establishment of trading posts and colonies laid the groundwork for the growth of the British Empire. Imperial expansion, conquest, colonization. The 17th and 18th centuries witnessed a dramatic expansion of British power overseas. From the Caribbean to India, Africa to the Americas, the British Empire grew in size and influence, driven by economic interests and geopolitical ambitions. The Industrial Revolution, factories, steam engines. The Industrial Revolution transformed Britain into a global powerhouse, fueling its economic growth and technological advancement. This period of industrialization also accelerated the expansion of the empire as Britain sought new markets and sources of raw materials. Scenes of Victorian era. Queen Victoria, British Raj. The Victorian era saw the zenith of British imperial power. Queen Victoria's reign coincided with the height of the British Empire, with territories stretching across every continent. The jewel in the crown was India, where British rule was formalized under the British Raj. Scenes of the 20th century. World wars. Decolonization. The 20th century brought both triumph and tumult for the British Empire. 2 devastating world wars tested Britain's resolve and resources, while nationalist movements and international pressure hastened the process of decolonization. Scenes of post-colonial era, legacy, challenges. In the aftermath of decolonization, the British Empire left behind a complex legacy. While it brought advancements in technology, governance, and culture, it also left scars of exploitation, inequality, and division that continue to shape the world today. Map showing former British territories. As we reflect on the history of the British Empire, we are reminded of its enduring impact on the course of human history. From its humble beginnings to its eventual decline, the story of the British Empire is one of triumph, tragedy, and transformation.